Hawig na naman kami. Sino yung nasa likod ko? May Disney princess sa likod oh. Yun
Hi
oh.
guys, welcome to my vlog.
Vlog takeover yan.
Hi guys, nakidnap na naman
Oo,
po
nakidnap. So, saan na naman tayo pupunta niyan? So, we're going to
Goto Mines.
Goto Mines. Yan, Goto Miners. Sa Masinloc Tourism. Para magpa-register then yon, we're going to one of our bucket lists, which is Goto Mines. So, maya ulit, update. By the way, nasa likod namin si Yapak Sayaman, tsaka si Jomic TV. And then we will meet up with Ras Ventures, sino pa ba? Delen Abby, tsaka syempre si Camp Together TV, ang aming tour guide. And si Sir Wewin outdoor din pala. Ayan. Okay, later ulit.
Sorry naman. Naulanan pa kayo?
Hello, vlog. Sabi ko nga kanina.
Hello po, ma'am.
Naglabas ako ng camera. Ay,
Ayun, no?
vlogger pala tayo.
Sorry naman. Grabe.
Hello.
Opo.
Sorry naman, kanina pa kayo. Time check, 11 o'clock. Kami po ay nakikipagdigma. Nakailang tuloy na tayo sa palang naman eh.
Sa palang.
Bibilangin namin ilang tuloy yung madadaanan na.
Sarap ng ganyang bahay sa probinsya.
Time check. Nahihilo na ako.
Hey Mar! Ay, akala ko sila to. Andaan, may color blue. Ala!
Uy! Ano nangyari?
Nangyari?
Nangyari, ma'am, sila yan?
Oo. O nagpapahinga lang.
Ano ba?
Ano naman
Flat?
nagpapahinga? Ay! Anda, oo nga.
Flat?
Naglag yata.
May panghangin tayo.
Meron
Meron
tayo.
din siya, ma'am. Kaso yung gulong kaya nila.
Spare tire dapat.
Happy birthday, Haze.
Happy birthday, sis.
Happy birthday! Ano nangyari, ma'am Hazel?
May daw inayos sa ilalim, sir?
Ano daw?
Pala
Inayos.
may latag.
Okay na raw?
Ali na daw, sir.
Ano daw?
Ang alam ko kasi tumutunog yung preno nila eh.
May sumabit daw sir sa ilalim. Pero itinali na daw sir.
Okay.
Kaya ba ng zip tie? Yung zip tie.
Sir, abante lang kami saglit, sir, ha?
Sige ma'am. May dala ba tayong zip tie?
Kaya ba ng zip tie yun?
Ano mo si Sir JM?
Hindi, natalian na rin yata eh.
Buti may pangtali sila.
Hindi, kailangan matibay yun, ma'am. Kakalog pa yan.
Kakalog ko.
Tanong mo si Sir JM kung meron.
Alam ko tayo meron eh. Kaya lang dala ba natin nga?
Wala, nasa bahay. road. Hello. Whew.
Two thousand years later.
Grabe ang ganda rito.
Saan ba sila?
Doon. Basta dyan lang sa sandbag. Ang lamig, no?
Pero yung Pebble Creek ganito rin.
Ha?
Pebble Creek.
Oo. Wave ka sa camera. Carry naman, di ba? Huwag ka lang tatapilok or dudulas. Hello po.
Vlog po kayo.
Opo. Hello po.
Wow, kawan ako na.
Taga rito lang po kayo?
Olongga po po.
Longgo po. Andito yung mga kasama kasi namin. Opo. May stickers ka ba dala? Mama. Yung may ano lang. Ganda? Ha? Hindi. Wala ka ng hawak? Han. Han. Grabe.
Koto Mines Kids Pool. So, yan, open na lang. Open tarp na lang kami. Chilling na lang kasi almost bedtime. So, ito yung tent nila, Paksayaman. Yung tent ni Wancho ay invisible. Andun. Nag-iisa siya. Tapos, kami, wala kaming tent. Kasi, dalawa lang naman kami. We decided, dito na lang kami. So, ayan. Ayan. So, kudos to Zenix. Toyota Innova Zenix. For having this kind of feature. Ayan. Comfy naman siya. Magiging long sofa siya. Yun nga lang, ang difference niya sa ibang car instead na dun sa likod ang entrance, dito sa gilid kasi hindi naman na hihiga na, I mean hindi na tutupi tong captain seat. Ganyan lang siya. Carry naman. Yun lang.
Ito walang pumumutaan, Kate.
Aba, ang galing naman mo.
Bro, kain na!
Multitasker. Tara bro!
Happy birthday!
Ay,
thank you, ma'am!
Hey!
Yay!
Hop, hulaan mo muna.
wala mo na. Pag di mo na ulaan, di bibigyan yan.
Oo.
Ako mahulan. Kasama sa bill. 10.
Sige ma'am, go ma'am.
Hindi naman ito nakakayak naman.
Hindi. Maiiyak ka para kuwan magbayran. Para may ano,
Doon tayo
may
yayaman.
thrill. Oo nga, umiyak ka kahit hindi na. Hello? Air tent. Air tent.
Dapat ma'am, sasayaw ng ano nga. Ganon.
Ayan, cute. Kaya ma'am, tigilan nyo na ang 3-in-1. Wala na kayong dahilan para mag
Pang-aesthetic ma'am ha.
Thank you. Ayun, gusto. Parang green na. Paano ito gawin? Paano ito gawin?
Sige, turuan ka namin.
Clap ka
ma'am.
muna.
We can do it.
Alcoholics and come together as one. Thank you. Natupad na ang iniisip. Wala na kayo.
Dali lang yan.
Coffee beans, ma'am. Ika-grind na yung...
Kaya para sabi niyo, ano,
Hi!
Oh, si Ma'am Ran, no? Talagang sumugod na sa tubig, ah.
Yung sa video ko, ang tino-tino ko. Sa ibang video.
kaya nga sa vlog lang iba.
Hi! Si Ma'am Ran, eh. Ang sarap naman, malamig. Iyo, no?
Send natin kay Mamel.
Steam's rising up from my favorite cup. Sun's breaking through. I'm talking to you. Early light feels so right. Another day coming my way. Rising bright now, leave the bed behind now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising bright now, good vibes I will find now. Everything's okay in this morning, we're not alone. Fresh new start fills up my heart. Slow and easy, feel it breezy. What we gonna do? I'm asking you. Rising grind now, leave the bed behind now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising grind now, good vibes I will find now. Everything's okay in this morning light. Every sunrise opens my eyes to possibilities that set me free. Take it steady, feeling ready for what's to come under morning sun. You beside me, nothing can hide me from this feeling good in my neighborhood. Rising grind now, leave the bed behind now. Morning's here to stay, starting up my day. Rising grind now, good thoughts I will find now. Everything's okay in this morning light. Rise and grind, peace of mind. Morning time, everything's fine.
Binigay mo na nga lahat, hindi pa rin masaya.
Yun, no?
Walcho?
Okay, so guys, kasama natin si... May nabudol na naman yung Zama Campers. Grass Ventures, Ma'am Pia, and Grass. And Del and Abby.
Nawala.
Ito.
Thank you po dito.
Idol to sa ano eh, sa drone shots eh.
Ito po.
Yun oh.
Piloto to eh.
Oo.
Ma'am, tutorial naman.
At syempre, ito.
Kahit nakapikit daw po.
Tropa. Sila Sir Wewin pala. Sir Wewin
Wala po.
and family.
Siguro ma'am, para may challenge next time, kapag mag-ano ka ng drone, paa naman. Kasi medyo masyado nang madali sa'yo yung kamay. Diba? Masyado ng basic na lang eh. Dapat medyo may challenge.
Pack the car with sleeping bags and dreams. Tires, swing moments, and ice cream. Windows down, the open road ahead. Your laughter mixing with the wind. Every mile's a memory we're making. Every turn's a story in a taking. Compaholics, we're the wandering compaholics. Leave the worries behind. Family time under starlit skies. Marshmallows melting on a stick. 10 zippers and morning's first sip. We point at clouds that look like bears. These simple joys beyond compare. Every mile's a memory we're making. Every turn's a story in the tape. Starlit sky. When you grow up and find your way, remember all these camping days, how we'd sing beneath the moon. Adventure always calls too soon. Compaholics, we're the wandering kind. Compaholics, leave the worries behind. Family time under starlit sky. Pack the car, here we go again. Adventure calls, my little friend.